Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Best Sellers Market channel. I'm thrilled to have you join us today, and I am your host for this exciting journey through the top-selling spray guns and accessories on Amazon. Today we have an incredible countdown lined up for you, showcasing the best of the best in this category. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a professional painter, or simply someone looking to upgrade your tools, you're in the right place. Without further ado, let's dive into our countdown and discover the top spray guns and accessories that are taking Amazon by storm. Let's get started. Let's talk about a game changer in the world of spray guns, a marvel that stands at number 5 on our list. The 3M Performance Gravity HVLP Atomizing Head Refill Kit, model 26714, in size 1.4, and a vibrant orange hue. This kit is designed for the 3M Performance Spray Gun system, and it's here to redefine your painting experience. Imagine precision at your fingertips. This kit ensures premium spray performance with unparalleled pattern control, atomization, and transfer efficiency. Whether you're laying down a clear coat, a solvent base color, or tackling a high-build primer, the 1.4 size nozzle is your versatile ally. It's the ideal companion for single-stage top coats, direct gloss applications, primer sealer, wet-on-wet primer, and even primer surfacer. But the innovation doesn't stop there. What truly sets this kit apart are the replaceable nozzles. With a quick-change atomizing head, paint never touches the body of your spray gun. Every nozzle change feels like using a brand-new spray gun, ensuring consistent quality and performance every time. Cleanup? It's a breeze. Simply replace the nozzle, or if you prefer, a quick rinse with the appropriate solvent, and you're ready to roll again. And let's not forget the security of it all. The locking collar and fittings are designed to securely attach the nozzles to the spray gun body and whip hose, ensuring everything stays in place so you can focus on achieving that flawless finish. With the 3M Performance Gravity HVLP Atomizing Head Refill Kit, you're not just buying a product, you're investing in precision, efficiency, and convenience. It's time to elevate your craft to the next level. At number 4 in our top 5 best-selling spray guns and accessories on Amazon, we present the 3M26000 PPS 2.0 Spray Gun Cup, Lids, and Liners Kit in a sleek black and silver finish. This kit isn't just a product, it's a revolution in painting efficiency and convenience. Inside this comprehensive kit, you'll find everything you need for your painting endeavors. 1 reusable paint cup, 50 liners, 50 lids, and 32 sealing plugs. It's a complete all-in-one spray cup system that covers all bases, from measuring and mixing to filtering and spraying paint materials. Versatility is the name of the game. The standard 22-ounce size is perfect for any painting project you can imagine. Cars, boats, furniture, equipment, home arts, and crafts. Whether you're applying paints, stains, varnishes, base coats, undercoats, primers, sealers, clear coats, gel coats, or sprayable adhesives, this kit has you covered. One standout feature is the improved design. Each lid is equipped with an integrated quarter-turn locking collar. This design enhancement helps eliminate cross-threading and paint buildup, ensuring a smooth, hassle-free operation. Plus, the built-in fine mesh 200-micron filter is perfect for solvent-based paint coatings, giving you the precision and quality you need for professional results. Remember, this kit is designed for industrial and occupational use, ensuring it meets the highest standards of durability and performance. The 3M26000 PPS 2.0 Spray Gun Cup, Lids, and Liners kit isn't just a tool. It's a trusted partner in your quest for the perfect paint job. Elevate your painting projects with this top-tier system and experience the difference. At number 3 in our countdown of the top 5 best-selling spray guns and accessories on Amazon, we have the Custom Shop Pack of 12, each 32-ounce paint mix cups. These aren't just any mix cups. They're the ultimate solution for precision and versatility in your painting projects. These mix cups are solvent-resistant, making them perfect for a wide range of uses. Whether you're working with automotive paints, epoxy resin, pouring paint, stains, acrylic pouring paint, or even slime mixing, these cups can handle it all. They're compatible with all the popular automotive paint brands like PPG, DuPont, SW, Sikkens, Glazeret, Restoration Shop, and House of Color. Plus, they work seamlessly with all epoxy resin brands and their various mix ratios. Accuracy is key when mixing paints and resins, and these cups make it effortless. The sides of each cup are calibrated with multiple mixing ratios: 1:1, 2:1, 3:1, 4:1, 6:1, and 8:1. This ensures that you can achieve the perfect blend every time, no guesswork required. The graduated measurements are clear and easy to read, providing you with the confidence that your mixtures are precise and consistent. In each full box, you'll receive 12 cups, each with a generous 32-ounce quart capacity. This ample supply means you're always ready for your next project, whether it's a small touch-up or a larger undertaking. With the custom shop pack of 12 each 32-ounce paint mix cups, you're not just getting a tool, you're investing in accuracy, efficiency, and reliability. These cups are designed to meet the demands of both professionals and DIY enthusiasts, ensuring your mixing process is smooth and your results are flawless. Elevate your painting and resin projects with this indispensable accessory and see the difference for yourself. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling spray guns and accessories on Amazon? Don't let your enthusiasm spray away. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to ensure you never miss a mist of our future updates. Let's dive into the number 2 best-selling spray guns and accessories on Amazon. The Master Paint System MPS Disposable Paint Spray Gun Cup Liners and Lid System, a game-changer for painting professionals and enthusiasts alike. In this comprehensive kit, you'll find 40 cup liners, each with a 20-ounce, 600 milliliters fluid capacity, 40 lids equipped with built-in 125-micron fluid strainers, 1 hard cup with a retainer ring, and 10 cup sealing plugs. This system is meticulously designed to bring unparalleled convenience and efficiency to your painting process. The MPS Disposable Spray Gun Cup system stands out with its compatibility and ease of use. The outer hard cup connectors are designed to work seamlessly with original styles of spray gun adapters. Note, not the 2.0 style. With the right adapter, you can use this disposable cup system with nearly any brand of spray guns. If you're using Master Elite Series Pro 33, Pro 44, or Pro 88 HVLP spray gun models, you'll need the Maes MPS 881 spray gun adapter. This versatile system excels with all types of paints, primers, epoxies, and commercial coatings. Whether you're working with automotive paint base coats, clear coats, top coats, primers, stains, sealers, gel coats, varnishes, urethanes, enamels, or lacquers, the MPS system has you covered. It dramatically enhances your spraying efficiency and overall productivity by saving time, labor, and money. By reducing paint material waste and cleaning solvent waste, you eliminate the cost and labor associated with cleaning traditional metal gun cups and the need for mixing cups and paint cans. Everything you need to achieve fast and professional paint finishing results is included. All components of the professional MPS disposable cup systems are available both individually and in sets and kits. With 8 versions of MPS spray gun cup adapters available separately, you can use the MPS cup system with most major brands of spray guns, from full-size to mini detail guns. Elevate your painting process with the Master Paint System. MPS disposable paint spray gun cup liners and lid system. It's not just a product, it's a revolution in efficiency and convenience. And now the moment you've been waiting for. Claiming the number 1 spot in our countdown of the top 5 best-selling spray guns and accessories on Amazon is the Instant Aerosol Trigger Handle, a pack of 2 that revolutionizes how you use spray cans. Imagine transforming any standard spray can into a spray gun instantly. This isn't just a tool, it's a breakthrough in convenience and efficiency. The ergonomic design of this trigger handle allows you to achieve professional finish results quickly and effortlessly. One of the standout features is the full hand grip, designed with arthritis-friendly considerations in mind. This eliminates finger fatigue, making even the longest projects more manageable. With this handle, You gain accurate spray control, ensuring a smooth finish every time and minimizing the risk of paint runs. But the benefits don't stop there. This trigger handle is reusable and incredibly easy to clip on and off. Simply squeeze the side clips with your fingers, align the spray tip through the opening, and you're ready to pull the trigger. It's that simple. The universal fit means this handle works with all standard spray cans. Whether you're using spray paint, adhesives, lubricants, or cleaners, this trigger handle is your go-to accessory. The versatility is endless, allowing you to tackle a wide array of spraying tasks with ease and precision. This pack of 2 Instant Aerosol Trigger Handles is not just a purchase, it's an investment in ease, comfort, and flawless results. Elevate your spraying game with this #1 bestseller and experience the ultimate in spray can transformation. We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the best-selling spray guns and accessories on Amazon. To stay updated with all the top sellers, make sure to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the products we discussed today. Until next time, thank you and see you soon.